Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable or disable the phone status on your Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys need to do is click to OK. Now click Settings and here scroll down until you see Phone. Now click OK. And here you have the status. Now it's disabled, but if you want to enable it, simply click OK, and as you guys can see, now it will wait for phone to connect. Now here, if it's enabled and you want to disable it, what you guys need to do is click OK once more, and now the status is off. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.